90 Day Fiancé. Before the 90 Days star makes a shocking revelation during the premiere. Hello friends, I'm Wordly Wise. Welcome to my channel. For the latest news update, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. 90 Day Fiancé. Before the 90 Days season 8 is here. While fans have been excited for the new season since the announcement, the premiere confirmed that it will be the most dramatic season ever. This season, viewers get to see entirely new people and fresh stories. While the premiere was fun and dramatic, one couple caught everyone's attention. If you guessed Emma and Ziad, you are absolutely right. Emma was extremely excited to see her long-distance boyfriend. However, she made a really shocking revelation. The reality TV star worries that if Ziad learns the truth, it might ruin things between them. What did she reveal? Keep reading to find out. Recently, 90 Day Fiancé shared a preview video of Before the 90 Days star Emma and Ziad. In the confessional, she added that dating in LA is such a joke. In the preview video, Emma's sister said that she does not think Emma should fly to Morocco. Furthermore, her sister said that Ziad has the same red flags as the losers she dated in LA. The reality TV star told the camera that her sister is skeptical about her dating life because her track record is not good. However, when she started speaking with Ziad, she knew he wanted her, and there was no question about it. She said this was why she instantly fell for him. The couple has been dating for a year, and they talk a lot about their future. Emma said that getting married and having children are definitely on the cards for the two of them. During the premiere of 90 Day Fiancé, Before the 90 Days, Emma and Ziad were the first couple to meet in real life. While fans were thrilled to see their story unfold, the beginning seemed a bit bumpy. In the premiere episode, Emma revealed that she had previously been engaged to another Moroccan man. However, their relationship did not work out. Furthermore, in the episode, she also opened up about not revealing her full past to Ziad. She admitted that she even ghosted Ziad at the beginning, hoping things would work out between her and her ex. She was really stressed that if her boyfriend found out about her ex, it might badly affect their relationship. Previously, when TLC shared a preview video, Emma revealed how she fell in love with Ziad. Ziad was calling me his future wife, like 15 minutes into our first conversation, and that sealed the deal. While a few found it interesting, some fans were freaked out by how quickly the two fell for each other. However, Emma's personality has caught everyone's attention. A user wrote, "She seems like she has a deep, interesting personality." On the other hand, some felt that Ziad might be a little suspicious. "Future wife after 15 minutes, not suspicious at all," a fan added. Still, fans are excited to see their story progress further. Some users pointed out that his cultural background might create issues for the couple, as viewers have seen how challenging it can be to blend into another culture or tradition. Time will tell. Until then, keep coming back to TV season and spoilers for more 90 Day Fiancé updates and tea.